Kid Artsy. My name is Aycan. In this video, we're gonna put a big pinion on this car and we're gonna speed test it.
In the previous video, we speed tested this with a 21 tooth pinion and 25 tooth spur. It was hot racing pinion and Vitavon spur. In this video, we're going 1-to-1 gearing. We've got 25 mod 1.5 Vitavon gearing in it. We're going to test it first on 8S with standard tyres, and then we're going to bump it up to 12S. We're probably going to test it with the smaller tyres that we tested last time. Now, last time we got 65 miles an hour on 12S with 21-25 gearing. This time with 25 1-to-1. First of all, we're going to test it on 8S with these tyres, then we're going to test it on 12S with the smaller tyres and 1-to-1 gearing, and let's see what we can get. I'm hoping we get 70 mile an hour plus, but let's see. Okay guys, so my GPS is hooked up. I've tuned the diffs, 250 in the front, 250 in the back. I've also put 35 weight in the back. It's much softer. I need 35 weight in the front as well. Not that that's going to affect this so much, but definitely softening the rear shocks I think is going to help it when it's jumping. Anyway, we're not jumping, let's go. Okay, let's see. Just a baseline there. 8S, standard tyres, 1-to-1 gearing. I was just running the car, so the batteries are not totally fresh, but should be good for a baseline. Let's bring it in. Should be turning my brakes up. Should be turning my AVC on a little bit. Alright. Oh yeah, better brakes. Right. Okay. So we do stop. Read 58 miles an hour on 8S 1-to-1 gearing. What a beast. Now we are 12S and we've got smaller tyres on. These are the rear tyres on the front and rear. We've got the rear tyres off basically like a Baja buggy. Beadlocked, as you can see, smaller diameter, so we're 1-to-1 gearing, but now I've just geared it down slightly with smaller tyres, but it'll also bring us lower to the ground, and we're 12S power, so fresh packs. GPS is hooking. As I always say guys, if you're watching this video, you're a superhero. Elevate yourself to the position of demigod and smash the like button. Alright, let's go. Help if I turn the controller on. Okay. 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 Let's go. Holy schmoly. Right, last time we got 65 with 21-25, so now we're 25-25. Look at these tyres ballooning. It's a weapon, and I don't want to hit this van that just pulled up. This thing pulls major rubber. Let me just do a stop. Come back. Let's just get an idea. Read 63, and I got 65 last time, right? So it means I'm nowhere near my top speed. Let's go again. That's still not top end. We'll get faster quicker. Squirrely. Still not. You can hear it winding up, but it's getting a bit out of shape. turn up the AVC. Something there did not sound healthy. I hope I've not lost my GPS. Let's check. So guys, basically the conclusions that I'm drawing from this are that 21-25 gearing is giving me 65 nicely, and it's going to keep it cooler, whereas this on 1-to-1 I'm getting 65 but it's getting out of shape, and it's going to get hotter if I'm bashing it. So in terms of what is a great bashing setup for like a 700 or an 800 kV motor, 21-25 mod 1.5 gears seems to be where it's at. You're going to get 65 miles an hour. You're going to get 58 miles an hour on 8S. So that 12S power though is just going to give you more in terms of air control, rapid wheel speed, and just like tire burning capabilities. And it will burn rubber. Right, so warm the tires up, maybe that'll help. Let me go let me start the GPS up. Alright, one last try. I need to watch what I'm doing. What that noise is, something's catching. I think I need to review and try again. I don't know if it's just the tyres coming off the rim. Lost brakes. Ah, pinion gone. Okay, good time to stop. Guys, thanks so much for watching. 65 miles an hour is where it's at with the Kraton, I think. You get a bashing setup, 21-25 gearing is better than 1-to-1. If you use standard tyres on 12S, you're just going to blow them up. Hitting 65 again, same like last time with the same gearing. So it will go faster, it's just getting squarely above 65 miles an hour. Yeah guys, just my pinion came loose. So good time to start. I put it on last night, the Loctite obviously hasn't had time to set. Alrighty, guys. ERC, thanks so much for watching. You rock. Smash the like, share, drop a comment down below. Thanks so much again.